Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. So last week I made some veg storage crates for my mum, and this week I need to make a wine rack to go on top of it, and I'm going to make it in the same way. I have some MDF and some oak. So the first job, get the MDF in and get it broken down into all the parts I need using the track saw. Then I can get it all glued and screwed together. I've got this internal shelf that's going to be difficult to access when I've got it all put together. So I'm going to pre-drill some pilot holes now while I've got it out. Right, it's put together and I added some bracing to the back. Now I'm going to go around and fill all the screw holes, and when that's dry I can give it a quick sand down. Then I'm going to paint it with the same chalk paint as I did the other unit. And when that's dry, I'm going to put some oak edge banding on to match the previous unit. So that's the carcass done, but I need it to hold some wine bottles, and I want them to rest in some sort of semicircles. So I'm going to find a couple of hole saws that are going to fit it. Then I can mark out on some oak where I want the holes to go and get them drilled. So all the holes are drilled. Now I'll give it all a sand down. Then I think I'm going to use the router to put a small round over on. Then I can get these installed into the unit. So the glue's dried on this. Now I can give it a sand down. I'm going to finish it with tung oil, and while I've got it out, I'm going to finish those wine bottle supports as well and get them done before installing them. So that's it all done. Now through the magic of YouTube, we're going to go down to Northampton and get this installed with the veg crates. So that's it all done. The fireplace has now got something in it, got a place to store veg and wine and even some bottles of ale, which I'm going to enjoy one now after all that. So thank you for watching. Thank you to my patrons and please subscribe for more videos.